funny to say. Hey vlog, happy Monday. So I wanted to start this vlog off with me getting my pants hemmed. I got these really cute Adidas silk pants, and the stripes are like kind of like ribbony, but they need to be hemmed, and I drove to the tailor and I can't find it, and now I don't have enough time. There's one right around the corner, but I don't have enough time to go there and get my pants hemmed because I have to go pick up Link from school. Yeah, I only get like a few hours. I get 4.5 hours, and time goes by quick. Last night I was up with Link. He's been having some growing pains. It's so sad. I was up rubbing his legs and his arms, and he doesn't like it when you leave his room. Like, he's really tired. So like I sit in, I'm like sitting in the rocking chair, and you'll hear him like, ooh, I'm like, I'm here, I'm right here. Like, he wants to fall asleep knowing that you're there. So I did not get the best sleep last night, but it doesn't look like I got an Aura Ring score of 62 or whatever it is. It was not good. But yeah, so I guess it looks like I'm not getting my pants hemmed today, but we'll try that another day. I have some fun things this week. Tomorrow I have Legree. I don't always do Legree on Tuesdays, but it just works well with my schedule. Wednesday, I have ballet. Thursday is the Silver Lake stargazing party, so I want to see if I can find some friends that want to go to that, because I wanted to go to it last month, and I was in Portland, so I missed it. And I wanted to go with Dustin and Link, but now Link will be in school. And then Friday, I no longer have therapy. I used to have therapy every Friday, but now I don't. Probably do something fun. It's so hot. It's Labor Day weekend. That came up randomly. But we're going to go swimming at my friend's Genesis house this weekend. That will be really fun. And yeah, so that's kind of like the vibes for the week. Oh, I want to make some cute food, healthy food that's like tasty to eat in a heat wave. I really want to make my own spring rolls with like my own peanut dipping sauce, like veggie spring rolls. I'm not like into shrimp or anything like that. So maybe that will be something we do this week. All right, I gotta turn the car on. It's hot. See ya, bitches. You're not a bit. I'm saying that in the most loving way. Please know that. My veggie spring roll dreams are about to come true. I have this pie or cake sheet. It's the only thing that the rice paper will fit in. But I have lettuce, carrots, cucumbers, yellow bell peppers, and edamame as my filling. I'm not sure how long this is supposed to sit in water for. It doesn't say on the packaging. I don't know how long I'm supposed to keep it in there for. It doesn't say. Is it supposed to be warm? All the TikToks I've seen, everyone just puts it in water. No one says nothing. The thing I hate about recipes sometimes, you're like, this very tiny detail is actually very important to me. That's the thing about these new recipes, is such trial and error. That looks kind of accurate. Well, we're gonna start with lettuce, I guess. I feel like I don't want to overstuff it, you know? So let's do lettuce in the center, bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots. I wonder if it's gonna be like super gassy. It's like so vegetable-y. And then edamame. Not very good at folding burritos. Not the, I mean, she's number one. She's our first one we tried, so you know what? We're not gonna hate. We'll plate them on this plate. It smells very vegetable-y, that's for sure. I'm definitely gonna be gassy. I love edamame. This is actually like really fun. I know it's my second one, but I'm like, I'm excited. Last time I folded it this way, I did. Okay, kind of fucked that one up. Yeah, this is tough. Nope, that was totally wrong. Fudge is almost better the other way. I think it ripped. That one's all fudged up. That looks gross. Okay, we're gonna have to start over. I can't eat that. It looks like a condom. Sorry, but it does. I love edamame. That one turned out so good, and then these ones suck. Ah! Why? What did I do wrong? I hate cooking. I'm not even cooking, I'm wrapping. If you know what I'm doing wrong, comment down below. I hope you're enjoying this shipwreck. Let's try this again. Fold it in while I'm wrapping. That's how you do it, bitch. Kind of, it's fucking ripping. Oh my God. It's ripped. It just fucking ripped. This is an utter disaster. Mom, it's so good. All right. That one works a little bit better. Ah! How the fuck do you make spring rolls? I thought this was gonna be so easy. This isn't making sense. What am I doing wrong? Comment down below what I'm doing wrong. What is making them just completely rip and fall apart? All right, stay, bitch. You better fucking stay. My Oura ring's gonna be like, stressed much? Yeah, bitch, I am fucking stressed. Trying to make dinner. So what we really want is a feminine phenomenon. A what? A feminine phenomenon. Just dropped the plate. The spring rolls today. Clearly almost had a fucking meltdown over. Okay, excuse my language. My child is not here. He's on a walk with Dustin. Now we're gonna make the peanut sauce, which is what I'm really excited about. Peanut sauce. The recipe calls, or the one I saw on TikTok said chunky. I don't have chunky. I wish I did. I only have creamy. And then they do some soy sauce. Grate some ginge. Okay, a little sesame seed oil. Just a little beet. She added some water. Water to the consistency that you want. This is an arm workout. The water looks so gross, but it makes sense. It's splashing everywhere, making such a mess. Ugh, it's hard because it's thick. That's what she said. It's literally what she said. It's hard because it's... Here they are in all their glory. I don't know if I like it. I think the peanut sauce is not that good. This is good. It was like ranch. I'm not good at the peanut sauce. Well, you win some, you lose some, I guess. I just want to eat the vegetables, not the peanut sauce. Hey vlog, happy Tuesday. Yeah, so last night I made those spring rolls and it was kind of a little bit of a disaster, but they tasted good. After I like finished this, I was talking to one of my friends. She helped me with the sauce, and then she also told me I was like soaking them way too long. They need to be like still kind of stiff when you're working with them. So next time, but not too much going on today. I'm doing laundry, just chilling, just taking it easy. So yesterday I got a call from Link's school and he got bit by some kid and he had like a really crazy bite mark on his shoulder. It was really intense. And then I just got another call from the school that the same kid bit him again. Apparently the kid's having issues, like been biting all the kids. I just feel really bad. So I'm gonna take him and get ice cream after school and pick him up. We'll go to Jenny's. And then we'll come home. Yesterday he didn't nap, so we just played. It was really fun. Actually, I had a really fun day with him yesterday. But tonight I have Legree. Thursday. I haven't really been doing anything super exciting. I got ready. We got Link to school. Hi, Sabato. I went to Whole Foods and did some like pickup stuff. Got Link from school, hung out a little bit. He's in his crib reading his new space book. I don't know if he'll nap. He's been waking up later, so when he wakes up later, he doesn't nap. But while he's chilling with his book, he's super into space right now. So I got him this really cool space book. I guess this is like a little intro. I'm gonna be redoing our bedroom. Let me lift this up a little bit. The bedding is here. Well, all of it except the duvet. So it's kind of annoying. And I don't know if I should wait to put it on until the duvet comes. I'm not sure when the duvet is going to come, but I'll show you what I got. So what did I get? I got this. This is a sheet set. So the fitted sheet, the sheet, and pillowcases. I ordered king size pillowcases in the same print. I also ordered king size pillowcases in the same color as our duvet. I got this olive, I think it was called dark olive green, dusty olive for our duvet. I like the colors together. Here, I'll show you. Sabato. And then the set, because I did it, these are from Quince. You can do like a bundle and save. So since I was buying so much, it was like almost like $100 cheaper to do it this way. But it was very frustrating. I have footage of me trying to buy the bedding and it was difficult. But it came with shams, and I thought a sham at first was like, sham, that's so interesting. Like I thought like for like this. It's just like I should ask my friend Tierney, she works in bedding. It's just like the type of cut, I guess you'd say, like the opening is in the back instead of on the side. That's a sham. But more pillowcases is not a bad thing. So here, I'll show you what it looks like, the color scheme, and then I guess just throw them in the dryer. I'm just gonna be real with you guys. I'm not washing them, throwing them in the dryer. If that's gross, I guess I'm gross, and I guess you're better than me. Actually, I'm like not gross at all, but. All right, so these are the colors. I waited for this one to come in stock, this like neutral striped, and then I got the dusty olive, and this was like a striped, I think it was just like this striped linen. I like how it has like a little bit of texture on it. That will be for like my leg pillow or swapping out pillowcases. So yeah, let's just throw these in the dryer, I guess. I also wanted to say that obviously I said before the duvet cover is not here, but I thought it would look really crazy with the blue, but it doesn't look that bad. I think Don likes the sheets. Do you like the sheets? And it looks nice with the gray. Eventually, I'm going to be painting my room white, but I have to wait till October. I want to make that like a whole video, like a whole like bedroom transformation. The sheets were supposed to be part of it, but the sheets happen. These were out of stock, and then they came in stock like last week or something. I can't remember. But when they came in stock, I was like, oh my God, those are the ones I wanted. So I ordered them because I was going to get these in the sheet form. But it wasn't what I wanted. I wanted the stripes. But I've been wanting to paint my room since we had to evacuate from the fire. So it's just like, I can't stand this blue. I hate the color. Well, it's a horrible shade of blue. It kind of looks okay on camera, but in person, it makes me upset. And I also want to do new window treatments, maybe like new lighting. These lamps are so huge, but that will be in the later video.
Do you like the new sheets? She likes them. Ouch, spicy.
All right, well, these are the sheets. I thought it was going to look weird with the blue walls, but I did not just pick my nose. I just scratched my nose. I thought it was going to look weird with the blue walls, but it doesn't. Yeah, that's it. That's Thursday. There's nothing. I was going to go to that Silver Lake stargazing thing that I mentioned earlier, but one, no one wanted to go with me. So there's that. And two, Dustin has a work dinner tonight anyways, so he just threw his book out of the crib. So on that note, that's Thursday. Oh, he's going to bring me home food, so I'll film that. Company dinner is at Perch, so whatever is there, that's what I'll be eating for dinner tonight. And I'll show you. So it's Saturday and I'm getting ready to go to Legree. It's still really hot. It's still a heat wave. Apparently people think Donald Trump might be dead, which something about his hands. We were talking about it last night at dinner over sausages, and I guess like his hands, I don't know. I'm sure you know. I'm just finding out about it. I'm not gonna get into it. I need to get ready for Pilates. This is why I don't record, because I don't want to be late, because I just oh, and I got this light off Amazon last night. Well, that doesn't look good. So yeah, let's go to Legree. You guys want to play mermaids? All right, that's gonna be the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I've been having a lot of fun making it. I've been editing it as I go along this week just to like take the mental load off of me. And I've been having a lot of fun editing, but it also does make my mind feel mushy. So today it's Sunday. I'm gonna take the day off from editing because I've been literally editing every single day as I go along. Oh, I'm going to Yosemite in 2 weeks. So that's probably what my next vlog will be. I'm really excited. All right, thanks for watching. Oh, apparently just an update too. Our duvet cover is here. It came literally the same day that I filmed. It came later that night. And 2, Donald Trump still hasn't been seen. So we'll leave it on that note. All right. Toodles.